Hello children, in this chapter constructions we are going to learn how to construct a triangle when the sum of two sides is given. The question is as follows: construct a triangle ABC in which BC equal to 7 centimeters, angle B equal to 75 centimeters, and sum of two sides, that is AB plus AC, is equal to 13 centimeters. For this one, let us draw 7 centimeters. I am taking inches 7 centimeters. Now BC is 7 centimeters. Now angle B is equal to 75 degrees. So for this one, take any angle, draw an arc. Now 60, 120, 90. We want 75. 75 will be between 90 and 60. So this is 75. Now measure sum of two sides is 13 centimeters. Measure 13 centimeters. Here we are having only 12 centimeters. See, I am taking little bit more for 13 centimeters. 13 centimeters इधर आ गया है. Now this is the arc. Join. Let us name this as D. Join DC. Now draw perpendicular bisector of DC. See, this is DC. Now more than half above and below the line. Above and below the line. Now join this line. So where these two lines meet is A. So this is A. So ABC is our required triangle. So once again, see, we have drawn BC equal to 7 centimeters. Then we have drawn angle B is equal to 75 degrees, and with AB plus AC equal to 13 centimeters, we have to draw a arc which is BD is equal to 13 centimeters. Now join DC and draw perpendicular bisector of DC. Where the line, the perpendicular bisector meets BD is our A. So ABC is our required triangle. Now let us go for other question, that is to construct a triangle ABC in which the base is given, angle is given, and difference of two sides is given 3.5. Here the sum of two sides is given, here difference of two sides is given. For this one, let us take 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters, which is BC. 8 centimeters BC, angle B is equal to 45 degrees. That means you have to draw 90 degrees. This is 90. And bisector of 90 gives 45. Bisector 90 degrees, which is equal to 45 degrees. So here we have to look at AB minus AC equal to 3.5 centimeters. So measure 3.5 centimeters. And draw an arc. Here is our DC. This is D. Now join DC. Again draw perpendicular bisector BC. Above and below the line. Above and below the line. and where these two lines meet. So join these two.
Correct.
This is B. So ABC is our required triangle. See, once again we have to draw BC the base and angle B is equal to 45 degrees. Now with AB minus AC, here AB is greater than AC because AB will be here. That's why AB is greater than AC. Now we are going to cut 3.5 centimeters on this line. Now join DC, draw perpendicular bisector of DC and extend DC and BD in such a way that they meet at A. Now join AC. Next, going to the next question. See here, QR is equal to 6 centimeters. Let us take 6 centimeters. Angle Q equal to 60 degrees. Simple है angle. So let us draw. Angle C is angle Q is equal to 60 degrees. Here PR minus PQ is equal to 2 centimeters. See here PR, that means here the PR is there. Here we cannot construct this one, so we have to extend this line to back, not to the ऐसे extend है. Now we have to look at, because PR is greater than PQ. Now we have to extend and we have to mark 2 centimeters on extending backwards. 2 centimeters. Now name this as D. Now join R, DR. DR. Now again construct a perpendicular bisector of DR. So this is DR and above and below. Above and below. So now join this line where these two lines meet is P. This is P. So PQR is the required triangle. See, once again we are going to construct the triangle where the difference of two sides is given. QR is given 6 centimeters and angle Q is given 60 degrees. We have drawn all these angles. Now it is given that PR minus PQ is equal to 2 centimeters. PR is this side, not on this side. So we cannot cut this one on this side. So we have to extend this line to backwards because PR is greater than PQ. Now PR minus PQ equal to 2 centimeters. We have to draw an arc from Q to D, which is equal to 2 centimeters. Now join RD. Construct the perpendicular bisector of DR. Where the line meets, the perpendicular bisector of DR meets this line Q, then Q and let us name X, QX is P. So for this one, we will take a line of any measurement. Now let us name this as B and C, and now draw. B is equal to 60 degrees. B equal to 60 degrees. You have to take an arc with any radius and 60 degrees, and angle C is equal to 45 degrees. So again 60, 90, 120, 120 and 60. Bisector is 90. Now we have to draw 45 degrees. Angle C equal to 45 degrees. Bisect angle 90 degrees to get 45 degrees. Now again we have to bisect these two angles. Like we have to bisect angle 60 and bisect 45. Now perpendicular bisector of these lines, that is if you name this as a D, so perpendicular bisector of BD and this is the perpendicular bisector of BD and perpendicular bisector of DC. It is little bit clumsy, but we can't do anything. So these we have to join now these two lines. This is D and this is C. So D, C and E. So ABC is our required triangle. This is our triangle. So once again we have to draw a line of any measurement. Draw 60 degrees angle, 45 degrees angle. Now bisect 60 degrees and bisect 45 degrees. Then we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of these angle bisectors, and where these two lines meet is our triangle. This is our triangle.